everyone, I welcome you all in science class students. Students, today we are going to revise the last topic of chapter number 13, that is artificial satellites, right? So you must have heard that there are a number of artificial satellites, right, which are revolving around the earth, right? You might wonder how artificial satellites are different from natural satellites. So student, artificial satellites are the man-made satellite. They are launched from the earth and they also revolve around the earth as like the natural satellite. And where it gain the energy, how it works with the means, what is the source of energy that make it revolve? So sun is the source of energy, right? So some solar panels are placed on the artificial satellite which get recharged from the sun energy, right? And they revolve around the earth. Even they are much closer than the moon, which is a natural satellite of the earth. So student, very first man-made satellite is Sputnik 1 and it was launched in the space by Russian scientist and Major Yuri Gagarin of Russia. He became the first man in the world that go into the space, and the first woman that go into the space is Valentina Tereshkova, and she is also a Russian scientist, right? And who was the Indian first man that go into the space? That is squadron leader Rakesh Sharma, right? So India has built and launched several satellites like Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta is the first Indian satellite, right? And it is launched in 1975. Other than that, Bhaskara, Rohini, Apple, Inset 1A, 1B, 1C and so on. These are the name of the satellite. So artificial satellite have many practical applications. Artificial satellite, they are used for many purposes. For example, they are used for forecasting weather, transmitting television and radio signals, right? And the satellite which send message from one country to another are called communication satellite. Even they are used to send signal of television programs from one country to another, right? And the satellite that is used to forecast the weather, that is weather satellite. So weather satellite takes the picture of the cloud and help us to forecast the weather. Because of the weather satellite, we get the warnings of dangerous storms, cyclone, right? That building over the seas, forest fires and so on. So after getting to know about the artificial satellite, can I ask you one question? Are you able to answer? Shall I? Okay. Who was the first Indian woman to go into the space? If you know the answer, you have to tell me in the live class. Okay? So that's it for today now. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.